Hello guys, I'm from Nigeria and I got this hair from KA Vietnam. This is the water coily hair I got. It's so nice. The texture is so amazing and it smells really nice. These are the water coilies. This is the natural wave hair I got. See the texture. So amazing. And I got bone straight hair too. This is the bone straight. So silky. So Tracy was my representative and she and her assistant, they were so amazing. Thank you, Tracy. I love my hairs. Please, you guys can shop from KA. They have the best quality hair in Vietnam. Thank you.